That, of course, was murder suspect Luigi Mangione after a significant day in a New York City courtroom back in the city where he allegedly shot and killed the CEO of United Healthcare, Brian Thompson, just 3 weeks ago. Mangione pleaded not guilty to the New York State charges, including terrorism, first-degree and second-degree murder. His attorney argued the state and federal prosecutors are playing political ping pong with him, adding this.
I'm very concerned about my client's right to a fair trial. Like every other defendant, he is entitled to a presumption of innocence. But unfortunately, the way this has been handled so far, his rights are being violated.
Meanwhile, dozens protested outside, holding signs with phrases such as "People over profit" and "Free Luigi." CNN's Shimon Prokupecz brings us to New York, where prosecutors have mountains of evidence to sort through.
The crime of murder in the first degree and other related charges. How do you plead to this indictment, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Accused killer Luigi Mangione back in court, this time for the charges he faces in New York State, wearing khakis and a maroon sweater, shackled at the wrists and ankles. The camera in court capturing the 26-year-old as he faces 11 state charges that include murder in the first degree and murder in the second degree as a crime of terrorism for the alleged killing of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson.
He's a young man, and he is being treated like a human ping pong ball.
His attorney slamming the way Mangione was paraded before cameras when being brought back to New York City from Pennsylvania.
They are literally treating him like he is like some sort of political fodder, like some sort of spectacle.
During the arraignment, with rare camera access being allowed to record the proceedings, prosecutors disclosing just how much evidence they have.
I have never seen a case with such volume of evidence, aside from the issue of the quality of the evidence. This is not a usual case in terms of the thousands of hours of video tracking and the like.
Mangione seen smiling at times while talking with his legal team. Outside court, a small group of protesters gathered to voice their support for Mangione. The hearing ended with Mangione casually folding some papers before police escorted him away. Mangione also faces federal charges that include murder through the use of a firearm. The state trial is expected to come first. Mangione faces a maximum sentence of life in prison for the state charges, and prosecutors could decide to seek a death penalty in the federal case. And Phil, he'll be back in court on February 21st on the state charges. As for the federal case, we believe there's a chance he could be back in court for that in January. We're waiting to see when he's indicted on the federal charges. Of course, his lawyer today signaling quite a fight as she says that her client is being treated unfairly and certainly unhappy with how law enforcement has behaved in this case.
Shimon Prokupecz live for us in New York. Thanks so much. Let's get right to our panel of experts. CNN Chief Law Enforcement and Intelligence Analyst John Miller, Criminal Defense Trial Attorney Stacey Schneider, and former prosecutor in the Manhattan DA's office, Jeremy Salan. And Jeremy, I want to start with you because Shimon just mentioned this. We had it in the piece as well. Mangione's lawyer arguing that he might not get a fair trial and said the state and federal jurisdictions are treating him like a human ping pong ball. Is there merit to what she's laying out here?
She has to make that argument, whether that's going to win the day and actually, from a legal standpoint, be the foundation for this to say this is not going to be fair. I don't think it reaches that point, but to her statement about being a ping pong ball and having this choreographed, absolutely unequivocally, this is a play, or we call it bigfooting by the federal government. This is a play for them to see something that really they shouldn't be in. It's a state case, but it's become something far, far more in terms of a spectacle to the public.
Yeah, there's no question about that. Stacey, you've made the point that the first-degree murder and terrorism charges, they could be overreach on some level. Do you think throwing the book at the suspect here may actually backfire on the district attorney, could actually amp up public support for Mangione that we've already seen on some level?
Yeah, we've seen unusual public support for someone who is charged with murder. But the thing is, the district attorney's office has to present a case, and they've done so in front of a grand jury based on the evidence they have. why I think this is amped up and also, sort of political as was just discussed, is because they went into a grand jury. They certainly have enough evidence from what they've signaled to the public about having matching DNA or forensic evidence on the water bottle allegedly found at the scene, on the Kind Bar wrapper found at the scene. Then law enforcement and the DA's office has signaled that they did a test firing of the 3D gun that was confiscated allegedly from Luigi Mangione, and the firing of those bullets matched the casings at the scene. This case is so unusual. The behavior of law enforcement is so unusual, and the district attorney's office and the mayor's office of the city of New York, that they are signaling this information about the strength of their case. It's not normal. It's not the way things are done. And to go into the grand jury and charge this as an act of terrorism, where the only way that we know that the insurance industry was allegedly targeted, or that the victim, Brian Thompson, was allegedly targeted because of his role at an insurance company, is because law enforcement told us that through the media. Luigi Mangione allegedly did not publish his alleged manifesto. That's what the law enforcement's calling it. So far, we don't know that there's some kind of hit list here where he was going to allegedly take out more people. This might have been a single act by someone who is mentally unstable, allegedly. Again, he's charged and innocent until a jury proves it. But they didn't need to go into the grand jury and charge this as a terroristic act. They could have charged this as a straight murder too, without a terrorist component.
You know, John, to that point, the information that we have from law enforcement, obviously, the kind of public optics of the perp walk, the photo we had from last week, the new video of Mangione being slowly walked into and out of court today, flanked by several officers. What's the strategy? What's your sense of the strategy behind these very public displays and efforts?
Well, first, Phil, this is a case of extraordinarily high public interest. We can't kind of avoid that. That is the elephant in the room, which is the press has been looking for these pictures. They want these pictures. They staked out the Pennsylvania locations. They staked out the airport where the plane landed. They staked out the heliport where the helicopter landed. The policy of the police department is that they neither encourage nor discourage the photographing of defendants in public areas. So some of that is the natural course of this. And I mean, let's not pretend. We remember the perp walk of the son of Sam, of Frank James, the guy who shot the 10 people on the subway a couple of years ago, of the Zazi case and the terrorism thing. We've seen these big perp walks before. What we generally don't see is the mayor being present. And I think that was a signal from a politician who is fighting every day to remind people that New York is the safest big city in the country against the backdrop of the regular crime New York experiences and something like this, a high-profile assassination in its streets. So his presence there was basically the symbol of saying, if you do a major crime here, you're going to get caught. And that was purposeful.
Jeremy, if you're a prosecutor on this case, take yourself back to your former life. Does that create problems for you? Are you okay with that?
Well, I think it's really rich, and what John is not saying, but also I'm sure recognizing, is that you also have a mayor who's there who's trying to distract from the fact that he's been indicted by the Southern District, which now has Mangione's case. All of this is a distraction. Joel Seidman, I've known him, I've served with him for 7 years in his bureau. He's an incredibly bright, he's a prosecutor's prosecutor. He knows that evidence inside and out. And he pointed out something, as we were listening to before, about the quantity of evidence. This is not a quantity of evidence issue, and frankly, it's not a quality of evidence issue. It's whether just because you can doesn't mean you should. And what I mean by that is you can go into a grand jury and charge anything you want within reason, and a grand jury will likely indict within reason. But this is not the appropriate case, meaning this first-degree felony, this first-degree murder, just as it's not appropriate for the federal government to be involved. Whether that means there was pressure by the insurance agency, whether they're sending a message. All this may be true, but that does not change the elements of the crime. And I will say the good thing about Joel, and which will be difficult to overcome, is he's not going to pay any attention to what's happening outside the courtroom. From inside baseball perspective, he's going to do his homework and make sure it's presented properly. Karen has a big uphill battle, not for all of the charges, because I really believe ultimately DNA aside, video aside, he may have committed the acts, but did he commit the crime? Is there an insanity defense? Is that going to be something successful? And I would say one other thing here. You know, the federal government, the Southern District, is claiming or potentially pursuing this felony complaint to an indictment, to a possible trial. Will they seek the death penalty? Well, their current president, who their current runs the show here now, at least through the rest of the year, just granted clemency to, I believe, 37 or 40 people on death row. What's going on here? This is really a power grab on the outside for a case that deserves attention, but no more than a domestic violence homicide and murder either. So let's be clear what we're looking at.